Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to this week's ManHammer workout. This week we're going to focus on one set and one set only. We're going to load the hammer fairly heavy. And the goal here is for an aggressive set that works the entire body. To begin this move, take a balanced stance. This move is all about using the flow, transferring the weight from the front foot to the back foot and then to the target. When you switch sides and switch hands, you're going to keep the same type of body mechanics. Nice strong core, good balanced stance. The weight goes from your front foot to your back foot to the target. And what you're going to notice is that your entire body's getting worked here, from your legs all the way through your shoulders.